521, same problem. There. That's the owner over there. As much as we want to open the unit 521, but the friend of the owner bought a different key, so we can't open it. There, and we go to the small room. This is, by the way, the opposite of our unit 501. There, I don't know if you can see it clearly. Let me see. But there's also a leakage. It's the same amount of water that the leakage there. I think it's not that clear, but I think you can see that there's water inside. This is not a reflection of the opposite side, because you can see there's so makikita talaga that there is a leakage in this unit. There, it's already clear. This is 501. They actually tried to fix the problem, but this is how they do it. There. And as you can see, if we get closer sa flooring, may mga opening siya actually. Hindi natin nasasabi dahil pintura or something, but definitely may na ano na mga tubig dito. And this is where the leakage coming from. So inside the room, you can see that there's water on the same position. Here. Dito sa opposite side na to, may leakage din. Actually, maraming pinagagalingan ang tubig. And if you could see then sa opposite na unit, which is 521, which is obviously it's not working. It's because 2 weeks na yung umuulan and there's still leakage. Yan ang ginawa nila, ang gravity sa 521. That's the Bulkasil. This is the Bulkasil. This is the Bulkasil. There. And Bulkasil really working on. So as you can see, this is an evidence that even though they tried to fix the issue, nilagyan nila ng Bulkasil, may parang nilagay pa silang semento, still it's not working because as you can see may leakage pa rin 521, and it's the same thing and it's even worse kasi sa amin umaabot ng hanggang sala and also the bathmaster's bedroom.